Guys at Lincoln Central level crossing in Lincoln with AB Trains and Joe. Oh, that's the slow alarm.
It's slowing down.
Why would it be slow? Like the others, it's... Yeah, the others are fast, but it's just one that is slow.
There we go, time is 08:45 on Tuesday the 19th of April 2016. This is for our 08:53 to Papa 35 North service from Sheffield. Expected arrival 08:48.
Oh, you said Northern instead of Arriva Rail North.
The pedestrian light still broken, Adam.
Oh yeah, I saw that last time I came here.
Yeah.
Right, time now is 08:45 on Tuesday the 19th of April 2016.
This is for...
And we wait for your... Hang on, I'll get RTT up. Just a sec.
Duncan's camera is not on.
I know. Real time trains. Just need to look.
Do you want me to tell you it? Then you
No, I'll do it. Lincoln Central, there we go. Lincoln Central. Okay. Right, we wait for your 08, your slightly earlier 0850 to Papa 35 Northern service from Sheffield. It's approaching.
Yep, it'll be here next train.
The train now approaching platform 5A will terminate here.
That alarm sounded really slow over a break.
Alright. What was it like?
Sounded like it was like that Barnby level crossing that me and Adam and who else did I go with there? Me, Adam, and oh yeah, you. That was the first time we went out together, wasn't it?
Yeah.
The first we went all the way down the East Coast mainland, and we went to that.
Yeah,
Barnby
the
level
first time I ever met Adam.
Yeah.
And then me and Adam really got really good friends, didn't we?
It was the first time you met me as well.
No, the first time I met you was at Grantham.
Second time. Yeah, here she is, we've got.
On the 18th of September last year.
142038.
Here she is, we've got 142038 from Sheffield. There come the squeals. 142038 from Sheffield. And...
From Sheffield.
Timer. It's got a timer.
No, it's just, I think it's the signals put it up when it's ready. Or it goes over a detonator.
Yeah, possibly. There it goes. And... that's it. Thanks guys, next video.